guys. Um, I made a new account. Team. Yeah, freaking about that one, oh my God. I got Model 3, and the new dashboard. You need to like um do Verge uh whatever user terms or something like that. And I forgot the password because I made the parent email. So yeah. For multiplayer, I'm like a 70 something. I haven't prestige because my controller has been like broke. So yeah. Sorry about the way it looks. Apparently a better way to make it. No. First one. Oh, this is underground. Let me see if I can make it where you guys can see it. Maybe right. I'll figure out in a minute.
Team, we cannot get to you. I repeat, you are on your own. Survive by any means necessary.
Yeah, I just don't talk sometimes when I'm in the mood.
Weapons armory is online. Ammo and weapons upgrades are available.
Oh, let me try if I can fix it real quick. Oh, that's good right there. Come on, let's do it. Oh my God. There we go.
Hostiles approaching your AO. Equipment armory online. You now have access to
Well, my
explosives
favorite
and
gun
armor.
mostly is for my primary is the submachine for the second one, and my assault is probably a Scar L. I like that gun. It's a nice, beautiful gun right there. Now I'm gonna start the thing. Now you guys can't even see it. That's so stupid. Oh my God.
Team, enemy attack dogs are approaching your location.
I'll fix it in a minute. And the why I like the scare, whatever the freak it is like sounds like a silencer when you shoot it, but you don't have a silencer on it. That's what I like about it. It sounds like a silencer when you shoot it without the silencer on it. Cool.
Air support armory now online. Close air support is available for tasks.
See, look at the difference of my Everything we got. Hold up. Oh my god. Shit. Oh, freaking me.
Enemy forces inbound. Get ready. That's the last of them. Good job. Enemy troops incoming.
Well, mostly where I'll probably camp in this game is mostly, I'll show you in a minute.
That's all of them.
Um,
Nice work, team.
Where I'll mostly probably hide is if I have a lot of stuff with me, like right here, C4s and stuff with the right guys. Let me see, probably in the tunnels. Let me just get some people. Yeah, no.
Chopping a task force to your location. Stand by. Intel shows multiple enemy rotor wings in your airspace.
Wow! Why do I? That's not stupid. Oh, I got it! Nice. Let's go already, y'all. I'm about to die. And they didn't even die. They're trained. I'm gonna get some ammo real quick. And if y'all look at the Shane GTO, if you look at the black tee, that's me. But you know. I'm not cherry pop guy.
Be aware, Tango's reported to have C4 strapped to their chests.
That looks so good. What's he doing? I mostly like about this game because you get to send like Delta 2s out and special ops. Last time we played it. Boom! Triple kill!
Back. Check equipment and ammo.
That would have been. I'm running downtown. Running. you know, like, Mega Joe. I don't know the other one, what it is, but, pretty neat.
Sentry gun ready for deployment. Suicide bombers, keep your
All I
distance.
know is that I like Fincher. I can come for you guys, because you're not that good, the right shield is what I like to do this. Sometimes though, you know what, there's just regular guys, if they're like really good, it's you can't die that fast. If you're wondering why they use, what kind of gun is that?
Hostiles neutralized. Rearm if you need to.
Oh my god, what is it?
Give me some covering fire! Copy, I'm on it!
Let me see. Let me check in this. The M16A4. I have no idea why. I'm guessing that's maybe how they do it in this game. Not sure. All I know is that this freaking best thing on it. The dashboard is good, it's just that you have to do that password and it's kind of gay.
Thermal scans show attack dogs in your area.
Like, the scale is so beastly. I do so many kills with this gun. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh, it's gonna boom! Yeah, the guy's okay. When he dies, and I can get the right guys because I have about, I don't know, how many minutes. But at least know that I have a sentry gun, and I forgot all about that, so I'm gonna go down here and use that for some protection. Put it maybe right here. Probably get a predator missile.
Enemy choppers are transferring
Yeah,
armored divisions to
like
the
I
area.
said.
Recommend you switch to heavy weapons.
I'm freaking so scared. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so freaking scared. Whoopsies! That's right.
Nice work, team.
It's so stupid. You can't even shoot that thing. You know, you shoot it, nothing happens. Shoot out a freaking rocket launcher, nothing happens. I don't get that. I'm gonna camp though. I'm not making the best,
Enemy contacts
but I
approaching
will
your position.
when I get my. I'm probably making a new account, cause I don't know if I can remember the password. Would be good.
Hostiles neutralized. Rearm if you
Now
need to.
let's get the right guys.
GIGN team outfitted with riot gears
Get some
inbound
of
to your
that
position.
motherfucker.
Predator missile ready for deployment.
And I got some good ones for this. I hope they hurry up because we got a long way to go to east here. Dope. They should have rapid. I know they have rapid fire on. They could really shoot as fast.
Intel shows enemy strong points near your position.
Oh, eat it. Just eat it. You eat it. There's no way to bodies in the air. Wow. 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 Well, I'm gonna end the video when I die. So. Better get some popcorn, get some juice, because it might be a long time.
Be aware, Tango's reported to have
C4 strapped to the chest. Shut up.
Predator missile ready for deployment.
I don't know what it means. No one knows what it means, but it's cooperative. What the sign is. I went to a lot of the concerts right there. Eat it, my friends, and have a good day. I know, I forgot to do. Did I just say they have like rapid fire on them guns? They shoot them that fast. I'm gonna use some snipers. For guys, I'm gonna use some snipers in this. Quick scope. Alright. What is this? Oh, ordering. Yeah, I like to have, you know, alright, okay. Oh my god, how did I do this? You guys see this?